Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a what I eat in a day on Hungryroot. It's so much different. I'm used to saying Nutrisystem, but today it is Hungryroot. And for breakfast, I'm having a smoothie because I am out on the go door dashing. If you guys didn't know that about me, I'm a door dasher. So if you're interested in something like that, I'm gonna leave that linked down below because it's kind of a cool job. It's really flexible and I get to listen to music and podcasts whenever I want. But first I want to show you this smoothie. I don't know if I can pronounce that. Kawaii smoothie straw nana dream. That sounds really good. Strawberry, banana, pear, apple, dairy free, 5 grams of protein, and soy free, plant-based blended smoothie because I did have that option. I do choose that option for my Hungryroot is to get some dairy-free products and some animal-free products. These are some of the nutrition facts. 120 calories, 5 grams of protein. Some of the ingredients: coconut milk, yum, coconut water. Give it a good shake. Anyway, whole coconut, probiotic fiber. Say hello. Looks pretty good. That's actually really good. It's not too sweet and it has a really good consistency. It's not too thick and it's not watery thin. I like that. Okay, so just picked up an order, and the other thing that I'm just eating this morning is a banana because, again, on the go. You like bananas, apples, and then if I have time, like I'll put grapes instead of a baggie or something like that. But I usually like sticking, to fruit in the morning. Or avocado toast. Okay, I gotta deliver this order. And then the other thing I brought this morning is my glass water bottle because I basically bring it everywhere. Don't mind my very untanned legs. Hopefully we'll get to the beach this summer. So one more thing I wanted to show you was my snack for the day. This actually didn't come in my box. I already had it, but I really like them. They're called Figgy Pops Coco Crunch Super Snacks Organic Unbaked Energy Balls, and I've pretty much eaten all of them except for one. I'm going to show you what it looks like. Gluten-free, organic. And for 2 of these, it's about 110 calories. But they are really, really good. If I get my hand out of here. So what it really is just dates, coconut, cherries, and what else? It tells you right here. Cacao, cherries, dates, figs. Oh, the figs are really good in it. Power seeds, coconut, and cacao nibs. So what I definitely taste the most, I think, is, yeah, the dates, the figs, the cherries. Oh, I guess I taste it all because it does taste kind of chocolatey. And then just like a hint of coconut on top. So they're really, really good. Alright, I'm taking a break from door dashing. That way I can make it to the gym. I'm gonna go take a class there and then I will be back to show you my lunch. For this meal I have wild-caught Gulf shrimp to make some yummy fish tacos. These are the 2 seasonings it comes with. Today we're using the taco seasoning, and then they also have a garlic and herb seasoning for another future recipe. Then for the tacos I'm going to be adding some of this cucumber corn black bean salad. It says about half a cup is 100 calories. And I'm also going to be using these white corn tortillas. Let's see, 2 tortillas are 110 calories, 23 grams of carbs, 1 gram of total fat. Sounds like it's going to be really good. This is what the bean salad looks like. I was going to say, if you wanted to eat this on the side, something I just thought of, a good idea might be to add just maybe some cilantro and onion in here, and then you can eat that as a taco, so it gives you plenty of flavor, and then just have this on the side. But I don't have any of that right now, so I'm just going to put this right inside of the taco, and I'm sure there will be plenty to eat on the side. Oh my goodness, how delicious does this look? This is what it looks like. And I did taste a little bit of one of the shrimp, and the taco seasoning is a tiny bit spicy, not too bad. but just it gives it a little bit of a kick, just as a warning. And I'm pretty sure that the bean salad also has maybe a little bit of jalapenos. It might be a little spicy, but we will see. Okay, so just checking on here, and no, it doesn't. It has black beans, kidney beans, green peppers, cucumbers, corn, onions, sunflower oil, olive oil, vinegar, sea salt, parsley, garlic, citric acid, and black pepper. So it should be good. Should not be spicy, but all of those things combined sounds really, really good.
And last but definitely not least, we have our dessert. These are almond chickpea cookie dough cookies. You can eat them raw or you can cook them up like this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Bye!